Hello, so we are students of Goa College of Architecture, and when we join college in first year, so basically we have this governing body of India called Council of Architecture, and when we join admissions in first year, I'm in fifth year right now, and when we join in first year, each student is given a specific Council of Architecture serial number, a registration number, and that registration number stays with us till after we pass out and get our degree, and it's what we use to apply for a license from the Council of Architecture of India and to practice, which we needed as for a license. Now, in 2019, the government of Goa released the EWS quota, saying that there will be a number of students added for admission from all colleges across Goa. Our college was from 40 students, we were allowed to take 50 students in from the government of Goa. And the problem here is that our administration hasn't informed the Council of Architecture about this increase of seats when I was in first year. This is back in 2019. Now, because he has not informed, there are 20% of students from each class from the past 4 years have not, including our current first year batch, do not have their 20% of students do not have their COA registration numbers. Now, this is a big issue because once they pass out, they won't be able to practice architecture, so this 5 years would go to waste for them. Now, this we have recently come into light. This issue has recently come into light for our students over here. And when we went to confront the principal on Wednesday about this issue, we confronted him. He's like, this was that he has applied for approval for these numbers, but they did not get back to us. Or when we don't know the facts yet, but he told us this, and that the numbers have not come in for these 20% students, which we have because we have students have gone and cross-checked on the COA website. 20% from each class do not have their numbers.
हांव फिफ्थ इयर असोसिएशनार पडलो की आमचे कडेन COA नंबर ना. सो COA नंबर कितें? COA नंबर आमकां कावन्सिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर दिल्ली हांचे कडल्यान मेळटा एडमिशन घेता तेन्ना. आतां हांव फिफ्थ इयराचो स्टुडंट, 5 वर्सां जालीं, म्हजे कडेन नंबर ना. नंबर नासतना हांव प्रॅक्टीस करूं शकना. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा, हो नंबर आमकां कित्याक दिवना? आमच्या क्लासींतले थोडेच भुरग्यांक नंबर मेळ्ळा. सो तो नंबर मेळ्ळा तो कसो रँडमली दिला, एज पर मेरीट सुद्दां दिवना. सो अकॉर्डिंगली म्हाका सांग, नाटा तुमी घेता एग्जाम, नाटाच्या प्रमाणे तुमकां मेरीट नंबर मेळटा. सो ते मेरीट नंबरा प्रमाणे कित्याक दिवना नंबर? रँडमली कित्याक घेतला? सो हाजे बेजीस कितें तें आमकां सगळ्यांक कळपाक जाय, सगळ्यांक आन्सर जाय. कित्याक हाजे फुडें आमकां फुडार आसा आर्किटेक्चरान, आमी फुडें कितें करपाचें हाजेर आमकां उत्तर जाय. सो रिस्पेक्टेड कोण ऑथॉरिटी आसा तांच्यांनी आमकां सारको गायडन्स दिवचो आनी हाजेर इशू कितें आसा तो हायलायट करचो सगळ्यांनी.
Now, we went to the principal on Wednesday and we asked him about this issue. He told us to give him some time. He has not done anything since then. Now today we said that we will not attend classes till we get a definite answer or a timeline till when we get, because our number one priority now is to get the students who do not have their numbers, and that is our number one priority so far. And the principal, we confronted him today morning. He said by 3 o'clock today he will give us the numbers. He has left college, he is not coming back, and we are asking, he's not picking up his phone, nothing is going on. So we want to know our answers and we want our right to information about all these documents. We have given him a list of documents as to the letters that he has sent, the letters that if they have sent back of saying that whether they have accepted or rejected these numbers and why this is happening.
Okay, how many of the students don't
Have their numbers. So 20% of the entire college do not have numbers right now.
Okay. And what is your demand now? If you don't get a COA distinct certificate and you are about to pass out from this
So if
degree.
we first of all, this issue was not supposed to come to us at this time. We by chance we found out this issue through another means. Now we have found out this issue. If we had waited till our degree got over, as fifth years, if we had waited till our degree got over, we wouldn't have our numbers, and then realizing we could not register for a license, we would not be able to practice. So by chance we got to know about this issue now, we've raised it to the principal, but there's no answers being given to us.
So now the admission through EWS, they have their COA numbers or
It's a random basis that our students from our class do not have their numbers.
Okay.
I myself on merit list, I'm in the 20s range. There are students in top 10 do not have, random students do not have their registration number. So they're basically handpicked out. And the GPP students as well, we have diploma course before we go for a degree course. These diploma course, none of them have their numbers as well.
Okay, so EWS has nothing to do with this.
EWS has nothing to do with this. It's purely the fault of our administration. Whether they have informed the COA about this issue that we have increased by 10 seats, If they've informed and they got rejected,
Okay.
why hasn't they followed up on them, or they have not informed them at all in the whole first place?
So how does this happen? Means some students have their registrations and others not.
So
What is the main
that's what
issue?
we want to find out why. So we when we joined first year, we found out recently when we joined first year, out of 50 students in our class, 15 do not have their numbers, the rest have. So why is this happening? That's the real question. And the basis of why they've selected these 15 students is not based on merit list, it is a random base.
Okay, okay.